Something cool. And you know, drones, they're all over the place. Best part is they've gotten better and they've gotten less expensive at the same time. So how about a drone that can actually fly without a controller? I took the DJI Spark drone for a test fly. Take a look. Check this out. This is the DJI Spark. It's a small drone. It fits in the palm of your hand. It comes in 5 cool colors. This one is called Sunrise Yellow. So let's fly. Using the app on any smartphone, flying the Spark is very easy. One swipe and it takes off from the ground. And from there, it flies very easily. Recording video is just a matter of pushing a button. My 9-year-old was able to control it without a problem. But the magic with the Spark is that it can fly without a controller. So I've got the instructions here on how to fly this without the controller, which is kind of the unique thing about the Spark. 2 taps on the button on the back and it takes off from your hand. Hold your palm in front of the drone's camera to control the drone. It'll recognize my hand, and then I can fly the drone up, or I can fly the drone down. You can wave at the drone, it'll fly away from you and start recording video, and then track you. Now the drone is tracking my movement. So if I move like this, the drone will follow what I'm doing. Want to take a selfie? Just go like this, and it takes a picture. When you're done, raise your hands and the drone returns back to you. So now I should be able to put my palm underneath the drone to land the drone back in the palm of my hand. Just like that. Pretty cool, isn't it? So flying it with your hands like that is really cool. But after doing it a couple times, honestly, you're probably going to use the controller, your smartphone, to fly it. You can see it's hovering right here. It has GPS. The thing really flies itself in a lot of ways, especially when you compare it to some of those cheaper drones out there. So pretty cool. $500 is the list price. I found it on sale for $350.
Oh, you did?
So you know me, I always search around and see what's going on. So it's at a good price right now. There is one accessory I think you have to buy with it. You have to buy.
What's that?
Well, you got to go online.
Oh, you're
read my full reviews online. I've got more information and links to those sale prices as well over at kdvr.com. Just click on the On TV tab at the top of the page.
Pretty cool stuff there.
And I know Greg's jonesing inside. He's saying, I want to fly it. I want to fly it.
Come on out here, Greg.
Sorry, Greg. You got to do weather.
Yeah, I know I do. I tried to fly it indoors, and he did not hand it over.